Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and MDCat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is the more concentrated environment is termed as N-isotonic, B isotonic, C hypotonic, and D hypertonic. So the correct option is D, hypertonic. The next MCQ is mango plant is A. Mesophyte, B. Hydrophyte, C. Xerophyte, and D. None of the above. So the correct option is A. Mesophyte. The next MCQ is the excretory system of planaria called. So the correct option is Metanephridium, C. Potonephridium, C. Nephron, and D. Nephridium. So the correct option is B. Protoneptiridium. The next MCQ is in urea cycle, one molecule of ammonia and one molecule of co-estein sub greater than 2 and greater than sub and greater than combined with one molecule of orthenine to form A urea, B arginine. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is unlike in earthworm, Metanephridia in mammalian nephron, so A filters blood instead of coulombic fluid, B function and both osmoregulation and excretion of nitrogenous waste, C form urine by changing the composition of fluid inside the tubule, and D is animately associated with a capillary network. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which process as in the nephron it is least selective. A filtration, B transport across the epithelium of a duct, collecting duct, C reabsorption, and D secretion. So the correct option is A filtration. The next MCQ is Malpighian tubules are secretory organ found in insect. So the correct option is C, insect. The next MCQ is ammonia is secreted by most adult amphibians, B organisms that produce eggs, C bony fishes, and D insects. So the correct option is C, bony fishes. The next MCQ is invertebrate liver function in all of the following regulatory processes except A. Detoxification of harmful chemicals, B. Energy resolves in the formation of glycogen, C. Production of nitrogenous waste, and D. Osmoregulation by variable excretion of salt. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is non-showering thermogenesis is A. A hormone triggers the heat production by increasing metabolic rate. B. A behavioral adoption of absorbing heat and ectotherms, and C. Muscles contraction by movement as in winter months, and D. A heat producing method of large fishes. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is urea can be eliminated with quantity of water as compared to ammonia. So A 1 over 10, B 1 over 20, C 1 over 5, and D 1 over 50. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is oxalate are present in A meat, B tomatoes, C green vegetables only, and D green vegetables and tomatoes. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is movement of ground squirrel to burrows and midway heat is in A psychological adoption, physiological adaptation, B structural adaptation, C behavioral adaptation, and D morphological and physiological adaptation. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is normal body temperature range between. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is hummingbird belongs to a category called Heterothum, B poikilotherms, B. ectotherms, and D. endotherms. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is vasodilation. A. Nucleic acid. B. Increase the blood supply to the skin. C. Protein, and D. ADH. So the correct option is B. Increase the blood supply to the skin. The next MCQ is nitrogenous base. A. Ectotherm. B. Protein. C. Nucleic acid, and D. ADH. So the correct option is C. Nucleic acid. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.